Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Dominion Payroll service. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking open a web browser and in the URL box type in dominionpayroll.com and search. This is the official website for Dominion Payroll service. It provides cloud-based human capital management solution, time and attendance, benefits, administration, and HR into one easily manageable system. If you'd like to log into Dominion Payroll, you'll need to go and click on the login link at the top right. Now, on the next page, you can see all of the login areas displayed on the screen. You can choose one of your login areas according to your designation. If you're an administrator, you can click on the admin login section. If you are an employee, you can click on the employee login option. Pick any one of your choices from where you would like to log into your account, and on the next page you'll get to enter your information for your login. Since I've chosen the employee login area, I've ended up in this employee portal where you can enter your username in the first text box, make sure to type it in correct, and then type in your password for your account in the next text box. Double check your password by clicking on the eye icon in the right corner to reveal your password so that you can make sure you've typed in the correct password. If you have any site ID that you'd like to log in with, you can type it in the site ID text box, but since it's an optional, you can not type it as well. Once you type it in, you can click on the web clock button and you'll be logged into your Dominion Payroll services. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.